Charge ko yung ano ko eh.
Hi.
We're off to London from Dubai.
One more
Hindi
flight.
nagaganunin ko na lang
flight
to.
to
7-hour flight.
7 hours, wow.
7 ba?
3 hours daw? Are you
Ano
sure?
ko?
Five
Ano
and a
lang,
half.
5 lang ah.
Kaya alam mo kaya
7 kasama yung
Ito yung
ano.
piloto eh.
Ako siya.
7.5.
Alright.
Tingin nga, kasama ba yung time difference doon? O
Okay.
yung actual?
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you.
Alright. So, galing kami ng Australia. Kasama kami dun sa UK Plus. Nakita ko yung flag namin na Australia.
Mabilis yung train pagsarap. Kayo maiwan eh. Di ba pag train pag may pasahero pa?
We do serve food from 9 in the morning until 10 in the day.
Wow, it's nice. Ayan. Wow. Gagala kami ngayong gabi. First day here in London. So ayan, kasama ko silang lahat. Inayos muna namin yung mga gamit namin at ngayon gagala kami. Nag-usap-usap kami na time check na 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Magkikita-kita kami sa baba for briefing for tomorrow dun sa cruise na sasakyan namin. Ayan, binibrief kami ni Boss Marchie.
Meron itong hapon-hapon.
So saan tayo? Train tayo?
Eh, kaya nga, wala kang
Anong street? Oxford.
May Westfield doon.
Doon sa ano, tanong natin.
tanong natin,
Okay, kita-kita tayo. Hinahanap namin yung pupuntahan muna namin. So, kita-kita tayo. Bye-bye. Balik na naman kami sa Stratford Station.
Ready nyo yung wallet.
Alright, kailangan daw ng Wise dito dahil pupunta kami ng sasakyan namin yung Jubilee Line. Alright, kita-kita tayo. At saan tayo pupunta? Waterloo. At ayun na nga, pupunta kami sa Waterloo ngayon. At nakasakay kami dito sa
Saan ba tayo?
Train 15. Train 15. Ito yan, papuntang Waterloo. Yan, tinitignan nila Maya at nila Boss Marchie. Ito yun sila. Alright. Punta kami. Anong meron sa Waterloo?
May water ang silulo nandoon.
Baka naman banyo yan, ha?
Yun yung central.
Yun yung central na may mall, no? Oh, yun.
Lakad pa punta Christmas lights.
Wow, yun pala yun, sabi ni Maya. Papuntang Waterloo. Kasi may water tsaka loo.
Low.
Diba loo banyo?
Silulo nandoon.
Okay, kita-kita tayo, ha? Nakasakay kami. Ito yung Train 15.
Oh.
Train 15. Alright, kita-kita tayo. Yun na nga, nandito kami sa Waterloo Station at kakain muna kami dito sa Popeyes. Popeyes. Ayan, nag-order sila ngayon sa Popeyes ng aming dinner. Paggabi na, nagutom na sa kakalakad at sa biyahe. Ayun, tapos mamamasyal kami after dinner. Ayan, Popeyes sa meron din sa Pilipinas ito at sa Amerika. Ayan. Alright. Oh wow, look at that. Dito kami naglalakad sa street of London ni Josie.
Yeah, Popeye yan. Yes, yan. Italy yan, Popeye.
Look at that.
Parang American.
Popeye.
American brand ng fried chicken.
Unbelievable, it's amazing. Hi, ma. Hello. Hi ka naman dyan.
Hi, we're going to the Christmas.
Ano to? May tawag dyan eh. Wow. Ito yung malaking wheels ng London. Yung sinasakyan nilang malaking Ferris wheel. Ang ganda. Siya yung nasa background ko. Kita nyo? Ayun, no? Alright. Nasa likod ko. Dito sa Waterloo. Wow, it's nice. Dito kami sa Waterloo at background namin yung pinakamalaking Ferris wheel.
First one.
Laki yan, no? Sa pelikula ko lang nakikita to, itong sa London version na napakalaki pala. Right. Tatanong namin kung magkano yung sakay. Hi. Dito ngayon sa may tinatawag nilang London Eye dito sa may Waterloo. Ayan, ang nasa likod ko, yan, umiikot siya ngayon, umaandar siya. Yan ang London Eye. Wow, it's nice. Amazing.
If you don't have the place, you can give them back.
Wow. Half on, half off London.
And in the end, you come back here.
Yes, but itutour nila kami dito sa may Waterloo. Iikot nila kami at pupunta kami sa Christmas, sa mga Christmas lights. Dahil may ano sila ngayon dito. So, ito, pasok kami. Alright. Hapin, oh, you're right. Ayos, dito kami. Sa second floor kami. Aakyat ngayon. Second floor. Dahil double decker tong bus. Alright. Nasa double decker bus kami ngayon dito sa Waterloo in London. Mag-iikot kami sa city.
So we're just going to go around the roundabout and onto the bridge. Cathedral all lit up by Christopher Wren, built after the Great Fire of Sea. It's the original London. It's a square mile, the shape of a Roman fort. It was built by the Romans, a bit like the one in the Rockefeller Center in New York. Have we got anyone from America on board today? Welcome, welcome. Seven, you wrote a novel you've all heard of, because the novel was Dracula. So Bram Stoker worked with Sir Henry. Look to your left. You'll see the Savoy Theatre on the right and the hotel. Cathedral. And they brought it back in a barrel of brandy. It's down the end of the Mall, through that gap in the building work here, just to the very bottom of the map. So there's the National Gallery. We've got Athena above the front door. That's the Athenaeum. That's a very intellectual club. You get lots of philosophers and bishops. First modern British nurse brought basic hygiene to the military hospitals here. This is a war in the 1850s. We were fighting the Russians in the Crimea. We won. War of Independence. So on your right, you've got Christmas tree, and then there's a very nice 5-star hotel called the Sofitel. Nearer to Christmas, they have put some trees there.
Waterloo.
So here's some nice lights at last. We've got the Christmas lights at Regent Street. This is Lower Regent Street. We're going to go up into
Napakaganda kasi may mga Christmas decor ngayon dito. So, inikot kami nitong double decker bus.
The area on your left, once you're off the high street, very old-fashioned English gentleman area. It's called St. James's.
Iniikot kami dito sa mga maraming Christmas lights dito sa center.
Now after our Civil War, we were a republic under the Cromwells for 11 years. Then we got the monarchy back in 1660. Hurrah, hurrah! with King Charles II. Now all this area was fields, and he gave the fields to a friend called Henry Jermyn to develop. On your left is Getting Our Way. They will.
Pero sa pelikula ko lang
Very
nakikita
childish.
tong Street of London. At ngayon, nandito na ako. Napakaganda.
There was an electronic advertising board here before World War I. Obviously it wasn't state-of-the-art videos, it was just lights. So hopefully the lights will stay green. Yes. Now, if you look to your right, you see the great big window that's floodlit? That's Westminster Hall window. That's where Her Majesty's coffin was for several days before her funeral at the Abbey. 250,000 people filed past to pay their respects. At one point, the queue went all the way back down the river to the tower.
The Big Ben Tower.
But speaking of towers, the big tower in the distance, which is partly floodlit at the top, that's a Victoria Tower. When the King comes to do the King's My Commentary, Lord Sheridan.
Parang same as in
So we're going to
New
go
York.
up the up Regent Street here.
It's like
Very pretty. It was
parang
developed
Times Square.
by John Nash for the
Parang
Prince
Times
Regent,
Square,
hence the
same
name,
like this.
in the
Pinakagitna
1810s.
nila.
And it was meant to be as pretty as
For
anything in
display.
Paris. He wanted a very elegant Parisian style street. So this is the House of Commons through here. House of Lords, the unelected, in the distance. House of Commons sit on green leather benches. Westminster Bridge is painted green, and the lights underneath it are green. When we go over the bridge, when we look to our right, we'll see Lambeth Bridge. It's near the House of Lords. They sit on red leather benches. It's coloured red and has red lights. You can see in the distance, if you look straight ahead, on top of the roofs you can see the Shard in the distance, tallest building in England, like shards of glass at the top. Prince Andrew went abseiling down there and survived. The Marriott Hotel and tourist attractions like the London Dungeon and the London Aquarium. To the left of it, of course, is the London Eye.
Alright, pabalik na kami sa hotel. Galing kami ng Waterloo Underground Station. Alright.